In today's video, we're uncovering a hidden gem that's going to revolutionize the way you build web pages. Imagine creating beautiful, functional websites with just a few simple prompts, no coding required. Whether you're a seasoned developer or someone who's never written a line of code in your life, this video is for you. Introducing Purecode.ai, the game-changing platform that lets you create stunning UI pages using nothing but simple text prompts. It turns your ideas into fully functional web pages without you having to write a single line of code. Let's start with something every business needs, an analytics dashboard. Here's how easy it is.
So when you open purecode.ai and you register and sign in with your email ID, then you will get the interface like this one. And here you can type your prompt based on whatever generation you want to do, whatever component you want to generate. And it also provides some options. So if you have any specific requirement in terms of language, you want to create it with React plus MUI or HTML Bootstrap or any other, you can select that. I'll keep it default, and I'll enter my first prompt, and the prompt would be like, create a nice dashboard with some cards, charts and bar graphs. Okay, I'll just enter a single line prompt, and I'll click on generate. So let's see what kind of generation it does. Basically it will take a couple of seconds. As you can see, it is saying creating generations, so it will take a couple of seconds, and then it will generate 3 different options for me, and I can select and use whatever option I like the most. So let's wait for this generation to complete, and then we'll see what kind of options it generated for me. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, my generation is completed. So let's see what all generation it did. So as you can see, this is the first dashboard it created for me, and you can understand within 10 to 20 seconds it has generated this nice dashboard for me, right? If I want to see the code, I click on code. If I want to see in the full screen, I'll click on this icon and I'll click here. It will show the complete dashboard. As you can see, it has given me hover effect as well for all these cards, right? Here also it has it is showing all the data. Similarly for this bar graph, it is also showing me the data. Let's see the second option. So first thing, the second option, I'll click over here. Again, this is a another kind of dashboard that it has created. Let's see it in the full page view, and here different options are there. So if I change the type of graph, it is changing the graph, right? So you can understand the power. Within some seconds, it created this nice interactive dashboard for you, right? Let's see the third option. This is the third option that we have. Okay, and here it has setting option. Similarly, let's see in the full page view, and here it is, like it is showing overview, overall, sales, right? So in all 3, I think this is the one that I like the most. So let me select this, and I want to change some of the things here, right? For example, I want to please add the theme change option. Okay, so I just want to have the kind of light theme or maybe dark theme. Let's see what it does. So I'll click on update, and again it has started creating that generations based on the prompt that I shared. So ideally it should give me an option to change the overall theme of that dashboard. So let's see whether it is able to do that or not. Okay, perfect. It is generated. So let's see the generation, and here you can see there is another icon, right? I'll click on this icon, and then this is the magic, right? Just by writing a single prompt, I just asked to change the theme, right? It added the icon. It understood my intention, what exactly I want to do, and it has added the theme. So this is how my dashboard has been generated. So you can understand the power of this tool, right? And that's why I wanted to share this with you all, because the similar graph, if you even you ask to generate any freelancer you are hiring for your need, or you are asking any developer to do, at least they will take a couple of hours to generate this kind of graph, right? And now the same graph can be generated within seconds. Let's see another example. I'll close all the previous generations for this dashboard. I'll click on Purecode AI again, and then I'll enter my prompt. Create for example, this time I want to generate pricing page, right? Pricing page for my website, include the details against each plan. Okay, I'll just enter this one. I'm not giving a specific instructions. I'm just giving the general instruction to let you guys understand that how it works. I clicked on generate, and it has started generating 3 options for me. Okay, my generation is done. So let me view the generation. Okay, this is the first option that it generated, right? It looks perfect. I mean, you can understand, right? You can see how beautiful and professional design it has created for me, right? Even frequently asked questions it has added what all included here, what not. And then it has also given me the yearly plan, so I can toggle between these two plans, right? Let's see the other generations. This is the second generation. We have again a nice kind of animation it had. It allows me to change the monthly versus annual plan, right? Let's see the third one. And this is the third one that is generated. Okay, I see there is some problem here, but overall it looks good, right? Compare feature. If I want to make some changes, right? If I want to, let's say, maybe I like this one. This one is like looks good. So what I can do is I'll just look here, add different colors to different plans, and also highlight the popular one. Okay, I'll just have entered the plan to update the design. So whatever changes I wanted, so I want to make these what I call it these cards like little they should have some colors, so I have asked it to do that, and also I have asked it to highlight the popular one. Let's click on update, and it has started generating incorporating the updates that I have asked, right, on top of the design that I selected. So let's see how it works, and till the time I'm going to play Snake Game. Oh, okay, perfect. It has generated the design. Let's see the generation. Oh, amazing, right? I mean, I'm really I'm really impressed. I mean, the way it has generated the design, the professional look it has given, everything looks perfect, right, on this particular page. So this is amazing. This is awesome. Okay, perfect. Let's try our third option. I'll close all the previous generations that we had for this pricing plan. I'll again click on Purecode.ai and I'll enter my prompt. I'll say design a social media feed with post, like, share, and comment. Okay, let's give this simple prompt and let's see what generations it generate, what kind of options it generate for me. It is creating generations. Let's wait for it to happen. And so far in this game I was not doing well, so let's see this time what happens. I'm doing better. Okay, perfect. So my generation is completed. Let's see the generations, and this is the first one. As you can see, it is perfect. So I'll just see in the full screen, it has all the post, right, and it has like button, comment button, share button, right, and this is also dark theme, light theme, correct, and it has sorting option, filtering option, sorry. So everything is there, right? So it has generated the page for me. Let's see the second one. This is the second option, I think similar to the way Facebook is designed. So everything is there, all the post is there. We have a comment option that we can post. We have plus option, and we have a plus option, it also is working. We have GIF option, so it is also looking great. And see the third one. Okay, this is the third one. Let's see in the full view, and again it is a kind of simple one with all the options available, right? So as you can see that it has generated a perfect page for me. Just to make some changes, I'll pick the one that I like the most. So that was the second one. Okay, and I'll say add a section to show the trending posts, and let's see, I'll click on update. And you can understand, right? You can see that how easily it incorporate those changes and give you the updated UI, right? And that is like production ready UI design, right? You can just incorporate in your code, or if it is a kind of static website you want to launch, there is some business idea you have or something you want to launch, right? You can just ask it to do that, and then it will give you the code. You can directly publish that and make it live. So that's how it is, and that's the power of AI. Okay, so generation has been completed. Let's see the generation. Okay, as you can see at the left side, okay, let me show it in the full screen, and at the right side you will see the trending post as well. So how easy it is, right? It has all the comment option, share button, everything is there, right? Even hover effect is there. If I hover over, it changes the color, right? So it is kind of perfect UI with all the required things that you need in your page is available. Okay, perfect. Let's see one final example. So I'll close my previous creations, and this time I'll give little bit specific prompt. So I am asking it to create a home page for a news website with top navigation bar, a feature article section, multiple news categories, and a trending topic sidebar. Use object mapping for rendering multiple articles cards. So this is what I have given as a prompt, and then I'll click on generate, and I'll continue playing my snake game. And this time I'll try to do better. Seems like not. I'm doing better. Okay, but unfortunately or fortunately our generation is done. So let's see the generation. And this is the first one. Wow. I'm really impressed. I mean, you can see, right? There's a breaking news section. It is kind of moving the way it should be. It has all the latest news, trending topics, and at the bottom there's a kind of footer, right? See the second one. Okay, it has nice header at the top, though I do not see much option, so I don't think it is that good. And this is the third one. It has images as well. Let's see this one, and I'll click on this button. Trending topic is there with the views. Then there is a read more option with a featured story, and then there's other icons, right? Breaking news, and then read more option, right? So everything is perfect, right? You can see, right? If you'll ask somebody to create a similar website, then maybe they will charge you a good amount of dollars, and also they will take their own time. If you ask for any freelancer or any developers to create similar kind of website, they will at least ask you for a couple of days to build this kind of website. Right now you can do it within seconds. So this is the power of this tool. The only catch is this tool is paid. However, they allow you to experiment for 7 days, so you will get the 7 days free trial. So you can try it. I really liked it. So if you think that you have some idea for which you want to generate the UI design, or UI you want to build some static UI website, then you can do that. And if you have some minor coding knowledge, then you can utilize this code and implement the backend functionalities as well.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!